one of my another bead slimes. This is a better color. It's so hard to take out. Okay. Ooh, this one's good. These are my best slimes, maybe. This one's with the beads, because those are my only two. That looks weird. I can't really stretch it, so I'm just gonna be like, maybe poking it. Ugh, it's so hard to play with. Oh, that looks better. Whoa, that looks cool. That's my best roll I could do with it. Look, it doesn't melt. It's like clay. It's like a foam slime, but with no foam. Okay, let's put this back now. I like that sound. Okay, we got 2 more to go. So this one is one of my first green slimes that are glossy. Whoa, it's so glossy, see? Whoa, this looks awesome. This is one of my favorites. It's so glossy. I love glossy slimes, but I love cloud slimes even more. I have 2 more, just saying, and it's almost done. Okay, let's put it back now. We're on our final 2. So this is one of my favorite slimes. It's like a butter slime with, it's a butter slime without clay. So it's a non-clay butter slime. I put some tissue in there to make it like this. And I put some lotion because it was really tough. Oh, that's pretty. It looks like maybe a snowflake or snow that has been made into slime. That's blue. You gonna see something? Whoa, that looks cool. I'm gonna put this back into its container now. Oh, I like this. And the last but not least is this blue one with glitter. See? Glitter. And I put some smelly, what is it called again? Crayola Silly Scents paint. And this is supposed to smell like blueberries. It's really tough for some reason. Doesn't really stretch. That's why I made this the last one. I could maybe deactivate it later. It's not that stretchy. You have to do it really slow for it to stretch. But that's pretty good. Don't you just love slime? So that is it for this video today. So please subscribe, like the video, and make sure to click the notification bell so you will never miss a video. Goodbye!